Hello my dear pharma friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert. So here you can see Indoco Laboratories, a leading pharma company. This company is having presence in more than 55 countries and international regulatory approvals including US FDA and UK MHRA. So this company is conducting walk-in interviews for their manufacturing facility in Goa plant 1. So for the below position, production officer, officer or executive, tablet capsule manufacturing, associate or technician, packing officer, and associate technician or packing, quality control, tablet formulation analyst or reviewer. So here you can see the qualification is B.Pharm or M.Pharm. For production, minimum 1 year of experience. For executive production, B.Pharm or M.Pharm, 6 years minimum experience. For associate technician, DME, DEE or D.PHARM or B.Sc. And for officer packing, here you can see 2 to 4 years of experience with B.Pharm or M.Pharm. Associate technician packing, 1 to 4 years of experience. And for quality control, M.Sc, B.Sc, B.Pharm or M.Pharm candidate with minimum 3 years of experience in tablet formulation. So above positions are for candidates to work in all shifts. So you need to work in shifts, the company clearly mentioning at the time of recruitment itself. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with more job updates like this.